In this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, now tap on this arrow to switch into your Facebook page that you want to delete. So for me, here is the Facebook page. After you select the Facebook page that you want to delete, as you can see, here is it. All you have to do now, tap on this menu again and scroll all the way to down and tap on these settings. This one, this settings and privacy, and tap on these settings again. So in this section, all you have to do now, tap on this page settings. Under this page settings, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this access and control. This one, access and control. Under this access and control, as you can see now here, it says deactivation or deletion. So tap on this section. So in this section, as you can see now, choose this delete page. After you select delete page, now tap on this continue button. Now all you have to do now, tap on this continue again. So now scroll all the way to down and tap on this delete button. So now all you have to do now, go and type in your password for deleting your Facebook account. So I'll just go ahead now and type in my password. So after you type in your password, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So now it will take you to this option, as you can see now. Now if I tap on this delete account button, now it will delete my Facebook page. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.